So guys, I'm discussing about a very important topic that is called how to rank for frequency asked question. Simple here, just I'm showing here. I'm searching on keyword. A lot of people asking this question. So any kind of website will be here. They're showing some question will be in this option will be in this. This is all nothing but frequency asked question. This is nothing but keyword improvement purpose in the particular SEO pattern. We can use this option. Not only for this one, we can use it for best painters Hyderabad. So you can go in for any option. You can use in Gestel, Aqua Painters, anybody else. So where you can show this frequency question, coming to this one, complete we can scroll down your particular website. The writing for here, this is a complete for frequency question. Then nothing but keyword building purpose and we can use it for particular things here. In this writing purpose, this a particular code option will be here. This is a particular code option will be here. And one more thing guys, this code will be available on my particular website in the blog option. Why? Because in a YouTube video description they're not accepting for code option, so the link will be given in the YouTube description part. We can follow the link and find out the code and update your question and link option. This will be only for one question and one answer option. Just where I'm using for dummy one, now I'm showing for dummy option. Control A and Control C. Just after that, login cPanel. So I'm logging for cPanel. Click for File Manager. I go to the particular file option. I'm go to particular file where you can add in for. You can set the particular position. After our client, I'm showing for here is the questions. So just I'm updating for this is only for dummy one. Paste it. This is only for one question and one answer. The question wise, the writing for question and answer will be here. So here, this option will be there. This will be need for center purpose. Add the code will be center here. Where the option will be here, we can use the center option. Refresh. Here, in this, where the question will be there, just you can click for question option will be here. Just we can go to refresh. Question, the showing for answer will be here. So we have writing for one question, two question, three questions. The showing where in the search engine option. First we can update it for home page will be keyword building purpose. Keyword building purpose. Just I'm writing here. Give me the 2 seconds. So here I'm preparing everything is ready. Just Control A and Control C. First we can go to the first previous one, previous dummy one. Just we can go to back. Remove this. Add it here and save changes. Now you can go for refresh it. Adding for 3 things here. What are the pending will be here because setting for all option will be in this particular tab here. So here we can update by the frequency question will be in this particular website. So when people will be searching any kind of question about regarding in this option, the question will be highlighted by where the particular search engine option. That is mean by keyword building purpose, where the most effective for where search engine purpose. Here people will be searching this any kind of questions. So they're showing for particular website and they will be showing for particular search engine option purpose. So that is called we can adding for frequent asked question will be particular code option. The code will be there. You're using my particular blog website. You can use the code as a frequently asked question. Simple, I tell you the techniques. Where is the question option will be there? You can add by the your answer will be there. Is the question? You can write answer. Nothing will be there. The code, everything will be common. Just in the question place, you can add the question. Answer place, you can add the answer will be here. If you add any kind of button options will be there. You can using the your particular the syntax option will be here. This is a LI list method. The showing for list will be a particular option here. These are list. So these are the we can adding the FAQs option in a particular website. When people will be search your website will be here. The FAQs will be updating for where your Google search option. Now adding here. After adding this option, we have to index will be do the using for Google Webmaster tool. So this is the method we can use at the frequently asked question to build the, your keyword purpose to adding to your particular website.